Whew, we are back. And it is humid as hell.
Yes, it is.
We are
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
Yes, and we are back right now with this thing right here from Car Culture, the Teen Transport. And I guess we're opening it.
Yes, we are.
Okay, so we're opening this.
We are opening.
You know, since when we just look, right?
Oh yeah.
We may drop stuff. We may we may screw up stuff.
What do you mean may? I do drop stuff.
Okay, so what is that one?
So we're looking at the Porsche 962.
Oh look, Momotaro.
I figured start the video off right.
You know, go Momo. Somebody Itai, go Momo. Momotaro, the Peach Boy. That's not Peach Boy and Momotaro.
So I'm gonna do what I did the last time.
Momo.
And cut this open.
You're gonna cut the Momo.
Yeah. But I'm gonna do it different. I'm just gonna cut from the bottom.
If he was fat, you'd be Momona.
Momo. Momo, yeah, you are. The big picture of your hand. Oh, perfect. So I'm just gonna pull it out from the bottom. You think it was just slip and slash and hit me and there's blood everywhere. It'll match the Momo. The Momo. Okay, so I figured I thought I'd get better at this since you did one. But you're not. Okay. Oh, you know, it might be faster. I just tear the whole thing off. I just noticed the numbers on the side. Hello. Yeah, this is the number 6 in the release. I would repeat the number, but then we'll sound like a bad bingo game.
Yeah, this is probably the only time we're not going in collector order.
Yeah. Momo.
Okay, so let's get that out. So there's the artwork out. That's what I want to keep. And this, because I'm going to include these when I put them in the storage bin. Not because I don't know what it is. It's so that when I take stuff out, I know what belongs in that spot.
Oh, I was just going to use them because I don't know what it is.
Okay, so let's get that transporter in there.
It's actually, that transporter is nice.
Yeah, this is really nice. Close that door on it. Let's take a look at this before we put that Porsche in there.
It's Momo. See? Momo. Momo. And if you read them backwards, it's Omo. You got Momo and you got Omo. Okay? Omo. What's up, bro? What's your name? Momo. What's your name? Omo. It's my cousin.
You know what's funny is the last time we did the Momo, somebody had commented the same thing.
What?
Momo.
You guys like Momo? We're going to do Momo videos, bro.
Let's take a look in there. I think I might have forgot to take out the insert.
Is it insert in there?
Yeah, there's a
it?
insert inside to keep the Porsche from sliding around. So let's put this on the side. This is really nice, but it is not this Porsche. Look at that. Look at that little baby right there.
Hey, look at that. Freaking Momo.
And
Momo. Lots of Momo. I think after this video, after the first video and after this one,
I'm pretty sure
we're going to get sponsored by these guys. But we're going to get all kinds of good stuff from Momo, and we have no cars to put them on.
Oh, it's not going to go on my Civic. Nothing against anybody with Civics.
I don't know. Will that fit on my 1982 Toyota Tercel?
Okay, so that's the Momo.
It's a classic. That is Momo.
That is Momo. So let's go to the Duster here.
Okay, Duster.
Plymouth Duster. So
you know, if that was homeostasis, that'd be Momo and Homo. No, but I guess not then.
And that would make it. We went down that road. Why stop now? I was talking about homogenized milk. What are you talking about? Sure. Kind of gracefully. Not slip and ruin the art. Yeah, and try not to cut my hand either. Yeah, that too. Let's see. Let's release. Let's get in there with the scissors. Whoa.
See, folks, it takes skill to cut stuff in the air. There we go. See, that's the only way we're going to be able to forget them.
there we go.
Okay, so, like, for doing in the air for the camera, you know what I mean? So,
We're going to have to speed up the video on that part.
due to time-lapse photography.
Let's make that look a lot more graceful. Okay, there you go. The artwork again. That's what I want to keep. That's number 2. And let's get here.
I already like
There
that
it
car
is.
already.
That Duster is pretty
Yup.
cool. Okay, let's look at the transporter.
I thought you was gonna say, look at the transformer.
Oh, speaking of it, we were looking at that today too. In the previews, the new movie,
Yeah,
Bumblebee. Sorry,
Bumblebee.
We're talking Hot Wheels right now.
Yeah.
So there it is, transporter for that Duster.
That's our other channel.
Really looks nice. However,
This is what I want to look at.
this is the star.
Ooh.
This is.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at
That is nice.
And it opens up.
Oh,
I wonder
nice.
if it stays open. Let's take a look at the body first. Does it say Mongoose?
Is it the Mongoose?
Yeah, it says Mongoose on the front.
Oh, wow.
Oh yeah, on the sides too.
That's a Plymouth.
Yeah, it does.
It's got boobs about a trunk.
Yeah.
It's a Plymouth.
Yeah, let's open it up.
Okay, how you drive on Plymouth?
Look at that. Oh,
Doesn't no more on the car? Doesn't stay open.
I think there is. Yeah.
Oh, there it is. There we go. Maybe if you bend them back super hard.
There you go.
See, that's nice. That's what you gotta have. Is that Rivers? Is that Rivers on there? That's
Yes, it
Rivers,
is.
huh? All right.
It is.
Look at,
Riders.
look at the deep dish rim back there, the tub. Everything is chrome too. You know how expensive that would be? That was real.
Oh yeah. You know how hard it would be to keep that clean?
Yeah, exactly. One round down the lane. Okay, we need to clean it for like 3 days.
So it does have a stand in there. I don't know if you can see that. But I didn't pull it all the way back to where the stand
Yeah.
is. So let me get that. So I don't break it. Get that
Yeah,
back in there.
that is nice.
There we go. That is the shoot. I forgot which one that
You was
was.
gonna say Plymouth there?
Yeah. Yeah, Plymouth Duster funny car. And
I don't
now
want to say funny
up
car. They don't
next
tell
is
jokes.
the Plymouth Cuda.
The other Plymouth.
Yes.
Ooh. The 70s, Plymouths was in it.
Okay.
You don't hear too much about Plymouths, but
No, I think Chrysler still has the name, but they don't use the Plymouth name anymore.
what the hell is a Plymouth?
Something that opens mouths.
Yeah. Hey, Plymouth.
Let's not ruin the other ones that are on the side. Yeah, you want to sit in cash? Yep. So you have to put them in and then someone has some freaking error and you know what I mean? Featured on YouTube. Yeah, it has a celebrity status. Alright, there we go. So it's kind of off camera, but it was on the other one, so there we go. Yeah, I probably won't use that. Close up on that. I just look at my wrist. Yeah, this will give you the theory on how to do this. The correct way.
There we go.
Kids get, some guys they don't know how to open this kind of complicated stuff. This kind of packaging can be complex like that.
There's that artwork.
Mm-hmm. Is that artwork of actual real vehicles?
I don't know. It certainly looks real.
The realism.
Okay.
Ooh, that's the googly eyes, bah.
That is nice. Let's take a look at it.
That's
It's
a
the
nice-
same carrier as the.
Oh, it is? Oh, yeah, it
It's
is.
the same carrier, just different color.
This is just yayo.
Yep. But it is worth its own individual attention. Let's put that on the side because here comes the Cuda.
That is freaking sweet.
So the name Snake and Mongoose, I believe.
Oh, is that? Yeah, that is. That's
Yeah.
famous cause.
This is the snake.
Snake and Mongoose. No friggin' way.
Yeah, I forgot that one. We were looking at the other one.
Yeah.
But yeah, look at this. That is sweet, and it does open.
Of
Let's
course.
see if we can get that.
So that is real cars then. That is
Yeah. Oh, there.
castings of real vehiculars.
Zoom out on that. Just a little.
I know it's vehicle. Okay, I got it. Nice.
Yeah, that is nice. Okay, let's.
The only thing I don't know is if they ever raced against each other, and if they did, what were their times? I wonder if they were like, how fast were these funny cars?
Weren't they the a traveling show. Snake and Mongoose.
I know they both. I don't know if they were like together.
Or they would always compete against each other.
Yeah, I don't know if they were like on the same team or they competed.
Competed.
Well, like I said, folks, we may not know everything, but we take one mean guess.
Yeah. But we make it sound real.
We make it sound super good, even though we could be like 100% wrong.
So the last one in here is a duplicate from the A case.
Oh, yeah.
So we're gonna trade that one out with somebody. Put that on the side.
Yes.
But we're not completely done yet because I picked this up. On the theme of transporters, here's another one. This is a dollar car though.
Dollar.
Let's pop this sucker
That's a nice price, dollar.
It is. Dollar is always
Now, all you need is the other transporter with Jason Statham, and then we good, bro. And then the one from Star Trek, the transporter.
a transporter.
See, and then we good with that, bro. See, I mean, there's so many transporters, bro.
Let's move these guys out of
We
the
can't
way.
showcase all of it, but I was just gonna say, when you put them back in the car.
Yeah. Okay, let's put this one in here. Because this is Matchbox's version. Can't get it to sit in the center. Because we are uneven on the floor now. Okay, so here you go. Matchbox's version.
We are not even.
Oh no, this is not even.
Yeah.
I remember that from high school. So the cool thing about this one is it does still have a loading deck.
Ah, nice. The deck slides down.
So it still functions. Unlike the Hot Wheels transporters, they do not have moving decks like that.
It would have been behooved Hot Wheels to actually buy Matchbox, because that would have been, that whole dollar going into that corporation.
Oh.
See what I mean? And it can be also used as a ramp in case you're running away from the cops. Because what happens in movies also happens in real life, but you actually can jump freaking and land without your car busting in like 400 pieces. No injuries, nothing.
So this is probably a real life view that we'd see, because most of the BMWs you'd rather move on a flatbed than tow it.
Yeah.
So I left that one. That's from one of the previous videos.
All right then. Well,
All right.
that's the transport
That
from
is-
Car Culture B case, right?
This is the B case.
Yeah. So if it was lots, it would be from the B lot.
That's right.
The other one was from the A lot, and this is from the B lot.
Yep.
Okay, so
And everybody likes to be in the
B lot.
yeah.
Yeah. Because sometimes, like the A lot is like hot and stuff like that, but it's always because even I like to park in the B lot, and sometimes when I park in the B lot, it's kind of like cooler, and I like to stay longer for some reason and just hang out. So as you can see, this from the B lot, aka the B case. The other one was from the A case, or aka the A case. So we are done. Like and subscribe. We just did the yearbook photo shoot.
Yep.
And check our Instagram and what else we get?
Twitter.
We're on Twitter now. So check Instagram, Twitter, like and subscribe. Hit us up. And we like thanking you all for watching us, because we do appreciate that very much. And we are once again called
Hot Wheels Collectors Hawaii.com.
like what that one dude said with the space in his teeth. We'll be back, bro.
Who's that?
I don't know.